In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up AppLog. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Apps. Now tap on AppLog and choose Password Type. Here you can select Screen Lock to use your screen lock as a AppLog login method, or create privacy password. To use a different password than your screen lock, tap here, choose Turn On, and tap on Setup. Now click on Other Password and pick one of those login methods, custom PIN, password, or pattern. Create your AppLog and repeat it to confirm it. When you finish, tap on OK on the right. Now, if you want to add your Xiaomi account, tap on Add. If you don't, tap on Not Now. And then, to lock all of those apps, click on Use AppLog right away. If you don't want to do that, you need to tap on all of them. Check for 0. And then click on Use AppLog. Finally, to lock apps, use gray switches next to them, and then go back to check it out. So when I try to access my Amazon shopping, I can see that AppLog is required. If you wanna disable AppLog from any app, go back to AppLog in Settings, enter your privacy password, and use no blue switches next to your apps. Last but not least, to disable AppLog completely, click on this gear at the top right corner, select the blue switcher next to AppLog and hit OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!